Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of J&B Tuning. As you guys had possibly seen my posts just recently, I have basically purchased some tools that um, it's a new tool that I'll be using to learn something new this year basically. So as you can see, the Suna Sunfire and the Honda Civic Si, they do have some dings here and there, few little dings, nothing major, but I figured, you know what, might as well learn to do some PDRs. And it's so expensive these days on how to get just one ding basically popped out on any of these cars. And I figured, learning it myself, then I'll probably learn it and basically save money. That's basically what I'm trying to say, is that save money. And yeah, can you imagine having one ding or one dent out of the door dings on one of these cars costs about $200 per pop. So I figured, you know what, I'll try to learn how to do this, and might as well save some money, as you know, the theme of this channel is mainly to see if we can save money in the process of doing DIY for our own good, that is. So anyways, guys, without further ado, I'll show you the tools that I purchased through Amazon. By no any means these are professional tools, but yet they are very inexpensive in that it does the job, hopefully, and we'll learn and see when we progress from there. So stay tuned. Well, ladies and gentlemen, here's the tools. Basically here, I'm gonna open up probably the small boxes first and show you the different things that I've actually purchased through Amazon here. A quick unboxing here for you, and just to, run you down with the stuff that I purchased for this project here. First box we have our lamp. It's that specialized for that, that there's a grid on it basically, and you can pretty much stick on the car or one of the tripods. You can probably stick this in, and it looks like I had to screw it in the back here, but as you can see, there's that line that would basically shine through the dents, so that way you can see where the dents are, and you can easily see what the progression of the dent and how well actually popping it up, or if there's high spots or low spots, we can definitely work on those. So basically that's what this is for, and I'm going to set it aside and open the rest of the stuff. It looks like there's a USB-C connection here for charging. We will see how long those batteries will last for us. Hopefully they'll last long enough that won't be any issue there. So the other item here is slightly same size of box, and it's also same company, Super PDR off Amazon. And these two packages basically came together there, and I'll run you down the list of pricing items and the pricing that I basically spent on these tools, so you guys got an idea, and definitely we could learn together here, guys. Oh, there's tons of stuff on this one. As you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but this is basically the glue gun, and all these little tools that we can use to leverage the glue, and then hook these things up and pull any of dents that we can work with there. There's quite a bit of glue, different types of glues here. All those little tabs that you can stick in to pull any sizes of dents. There's a few more here. There's a black one, there's a blue one. Not too sure why they have different types, different kinds. Maybe it just depends on how bad the dents are. You do have this little mallet here, rubber mallet for little pounding there, here and there for high spots. There's a few more of this, little tabs for pulling. They gave you a black glove as well in the process. More of that. Plastic tabs. Oh, I got one of this already. I have a few sizes of this already. They don't really work that well. I mean, to be honest, they can do slightly, slight job for pulling things, but they're not really that great. So we'll see how good that is. Oh, here's our tap for, any high spots, it looks like, using the mallet. And there's different attachment on this little brass metal here, different pinpoints, small sizes, round sizes, square. Yeah, there's different attachments there, which is going to be cool to try for high spots. And here's our sort of a brace for pulling as well, with a suction cups on them. And again, this is for those plastic tabs, and you can easily, try to secure this thing on the hood, for example, and then you have one of those screws to attach on our plastic tabs, and you can slowly pull a dent up, basically, in the process. Again, I'm not at all expert on this yet. I'm going to be learning how to use this tool from day one, and hopefully we can learn together, guys, in the process. So here's the other little tool here that it's like again, you connect the plastic tab here, and then you pump this thing to pull the dent out. Can't wait to try this and use it. We got our glue gun. Slightly better glue gun than the one I have that I bought from dollar store. And then here's our little plunger, or a really heavy sort of plunger type deal to pull dents out, technically. And we got our chemical bottle here, which is fairly empty. We got to find out what the mixture is, really. I'm not too sure what that chemical we use. Either it's just a water with soap or something like that. Maybe there's just a quick, easy mixture there. I hope it is, because then we don't have to spend money on trying to get a solution just for getting rid of those the glues that we're putting in the car. Oh, there's a huge thicker glue stick here. I'm not sure why it's by itself without any protection. Lastly, in the bag, or in the box, is the bag. Just put that down there for a second. So I guess this is an awesome part, because then we can carry all our tools everywhere we go, and we can put them on this little bag here. So I'm gonna organize everything in the bag here, and then we can open up the rest of these items here. Let me just quickly put this stuff in here so we can continue on opening everything here, so we don't lose. Quite a bit of tools there going on. And oh wow, nice small bag here that will carry everything pretty much. I like that. I really like that. Oh, I forgot the other one here. Other tool. Okay, we'll set that aside. Maybe here for now. All right. The other item here is our the touch tools. It's from Vaver. Quite a name. Anyways, these are the tools that we can use to, again, from inside of the fenders or any inside of the body, you can stick this thing in and slowly pry things to pop out. And I've always wanted these tools basically here, and I've always been wanting to learn how to do all this. So finally we got ourselves the tool we need. Oh, there's actually, I gotta, maybe what I'll do, just open one side and then probably just pry everything out that way. This is slightly heavy. Oh, it's actually in the bag. So what I'll do is I'll just pull the whole bag out. Oh wow. Ah, it's pretty heavy. Okay, here we go. Let me just switch it over so you can see the name. By no means that this is a sponsored product. I basically purchased all this on my own money here. So I'm not endorsing any of this product. I'm basically just going to do a review on them and see how well they actually work in this process. And as I get more familiar with doing this, I'll definitely spend the time and money to get the proper tools, more of a professional tools, once I actually get proficient in doing this. So wow, nicely packaged actually. They put the tools in a really good packaging here so we don't damage it throughout the shipping process. Here we go, folks. It's all bundled up pretty nicely. You got the idea. All the tools you can need. Long ones, small ones to reach into the body of the car and literally use any of these tools to pop any sort of dents that we have on the car, which is really interesting. So anyways, guys, these are the tools that I have lined up here that we will definitely learn and get our skills up this year. And in the process, I'll be sharing you my experience, and hopefully we can both learn together. Here you go. All the big ones. The big guns is right here. A medium size tools. It's there slightly thinner, so that way you can stick it in a smaller area, I guess. And these are the even more bigger equivalents here. So yeah, as you can see, there's different types of tips that you can use: round tips, flat edge. So anyways, guys, these are the tools that we're going to be using here, and pretty soon I'll be trying to pop up any dents that I can pop up, and hopefully we can learn something. So anyways, guys, I hope that you will enjoy this. We will be definitely trying to learn how to do PDR, and mainly for my own self, because I've owned enough car here that they get dinged quite a bit. The Jetta has it, the Honda Civic has it, this Civic Si has it, and the Suno Sunfire has some dings, and even the MDX actually do have quite a bit of dents as well. So we will be popping things up, guys, and learn how to do this, and hopefully we don't screw up. So without further ado, please look forward in the next episode where actually I'm going to try and learn how to use this. So stay tuned.